This video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that comes from the site Fiten.live. Fiten.live is a junk site. Currently, it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers. Such pop-ups also try to force users into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. These pop-ups by Fiten.live are fake and not related to any decent security software, so don't interact with them. My recommendation is that you just leave this page and disregard its misleading content. Also, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and after you successfully install the program, start it and begin thoroughly researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.